are you? Wait, where's Mario?
He's awake! I don't know. Let's go find him.
There?
What was that?
I told these type of things. This happened back in 2024.
You gotta be quiet.
I know. What the fuck do you mean? I know.
Oh, where is you guys?
So
I'm a nurse.
No, Maya?
I'm your nurse.
I know. You said that 2 times. Maya?
I know where you guys are. I have a bunch of games for you. Just come to me. I know what to do.
What
Hello.
is this kind of Squid Game?
Hello.
Where we die when we lose? Rick?
Follow me.
This ain't no Squid Game. What are you
Ignore
trying
that.
to accomplish here?
Follow me. Circus Baby's Pizza World.
Ooh.
I went here at
And
noon.
we're heading into an elevator.
I was here at noon. I don't want to be back here. This is danger, you know.
I know everything about all of y'all. If you do not play my games, well, that's on your part.
What the fuck is this from?
Biscuit. The 67 armor.
Okay. That is okay. That was just
Click the bottom button.
Yo, you're getting one okay. It is balls for hands. It's going to be like a monster looking like that. That's me. You know what to say.
My childhood home. Well, yes. Well, my favorite place as a child, Circus Baby's Pizza. Well, Circus Baby's Pizza World.
Ooh, like a boxy.
It's a little cramped in here. That's okay.
Where are we going? Oh, your head's kind of getting hit with the...
This is all. Oh.
Good thing I'm a nurse. What's wrong?
Don't do that.
Ow!
Don't do that. He's gonna stop your mouth.
I'm a nurse.
My hurt.
I'm a nurse. I can't...
Casual bongos. Exotic butters.
What the heck is that?
I'm a nurse. What happened? I'm a nurse. What happened?
Enjoy the ride. This might be one of your last.
But I thought you just hurt your head.
Oh yeah.
Did you hurt your head?
Yes.
Oh, good thing I'm a nurse. Once we get done riding this elevator, I can go grab my nurse stuff.
Never mind. I feel much better now. Now,
Are you
follow
sure?
me. We're doing something a little illegal.
Illegal? I'm a nurse and I think that is not safe.
Follow up.
We can get into danger.
Illegal. There's something that plays bongos and say dog butters.
No. Over here.
Oh.
Crawl in. Before I get to you.
Motion trigger.
Go inside. The vent. The vent.
I think this is unsafe.
Well, we have to, or else we'll die. Whoa.
My office. I used to be the boss of this. I used to be the boss of this place.
What is this place?
Well,
Why is it so
my
flashing? You
office.
never changed your lights?
What did you say?
It's nothing. I was just wondering why the lights were so flashing.
There's stock puppet right here. Now it's just you. Now follow up. I was trying to get this guy, but guess she was the next best thing.
True.
Now,
She did say
go.
you need to become a nurse to fix that animatronic. Here, I think I can open
Bunch.
it. So, see?
Motion trigger.
I just need to do some unfinished business right here.
Oh, this is a man. Oh, hey. He did you.
Three dead of the same people are better than one.
Motion trigger. Surface gallery event.
Hello. Yep, go ahead.
Now we're finally here. Keep following. I have something to plan.
Okay.
It's so dark in here.
Yeah,
You mind getting a light or something, or a lamp?
yeah, I'll try to look for one. Hey, damn it.
Or I can use your head as one.
No, I'm trying. Oh, perfect. Wait. Thank you.
Wow, that's me. That's how I look like now?
Yeah, let me see how.
Oh, I look different.
Yeah.
I look like...
Oh, well, let's just...
Now!
You're killing my mom.
Now!
No?
Follow me.
Okay.
Usually, she would be here, but guess that's not the
She's
case.
long gone. You okay?
Run while you step.
But what happened? Oh no, don't mind those what you do. Like the flames.
Surface gallery event. Surface gallery event.
Come on.
Motion trigger.
You can't run forever.
I could sing. I wish I fuck.
Angsty team. Casual bongos. Xfinity.
Yeah, bongo baby. Love this shit.
I feel bigger than ever!
Wait, what? Yeah, it's not fun.
Angsty team.
Look how much that heal. Find a way. Find the exit. That was
Casual bongos.
Thy will be done, O light of light. I bless the glory of thy greatness, O
Hey, Bob's fine. Bye, Bob. Hi, Bob. Stop doing that. I did not do okay, Bob. Take him down. Why, Bob? Yeah, you're fine. Bob, let's go.
Motion trigger. Interplay event.
Alright, guys.
Motion trigger. Interplay event. Motion trigger. Interplay event.
Where could he possibly be?
You want me a robot?
Motion trigger. Interplay event.
Oh!
Interplay event. Motion trigger. Interplay event.
His damn robot. He's done. Thank you, Bob. Killing him.
Gallery event.
What was that? I hear you!
Hey, Joe! I hear you too!
I saw you.
Oh, buddy, he's the one trying to kill me. Like anything.
Knock.
Doesn't work. I just don't know what to do.
Clone Loudmouth as much as I want to kill you. Never you.
There must be a way. There must be a single way. What is the robot weak against you? Oh yeah. Bob, what do you think about it?
I have been laid down in a pit of darknesses and the shadow of
What's that
death,
sound?
and thy anger is pressed down upon me, and all thy cares have come down upon me. And from this bed I cry out for the kindling of thy light. For it was said they had become like these peculiar demons which dwell in matter, but in whom no light may be found.
Come out, wherever you are, you rat. It may be hard for me to see into the dark, but I'll find you. Off. Now.
I pray do never turn away thy light.
No!
Give heed to me and spring thy trap upon mine enemies when I
What's wrong with you? Cool is that? Fight it! Enough! That's... No!
Have you no way to mind us? Yes, you're back. Thank God. What? What? We can use this to escape. What happened to you, Jeremiah?
I don't know.
You became like a robot.
I was looking around, and I got stuck in somebody's house. Then I said, trying to convince myself I was crazy because I kept hearing noises. Then I got attacked by something.
I'll show you what you did to Wall Flint.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
I hate that robot.
Circus gallery vent.
I'll show you what you did to, I think her name was Loudmouth. The only girl in the blows. Look at this. I'm sorry.
Listen to me. Listen to me. It's still me somewhere. Please.
We have to know who loves his body the most.
Let's get out of here.
He hates his legs, so it cannot be his legs. paint skin in the...
Ah!
I guess. Ugh, I'm back here. I need save from Maya. Freak out. The bathroom? This is out. Oh.
We'll never catch it!
I don't know. What did they do to you? I have to. God damn it. Luckily you. At least I destroyed the body. Well,
Who are you?
wait.
Who are you?
No. She must be the reason. Come over here.
Who was that girl?
I think
Where'd
that's
she go?
the... I think she's the
She's
reason.
running it. Where'd she go? I just saw her.
I think...
Hello? Is anyone there?
Don't worry about it. Let's just leave. I think she was the I think she turned you into the robot.
Hey, who are you?
Tangle. She's the villain.
You turned me into a robot, didn't you?
An accident is all she wants.
Go. She's gonna kill us.
Hello.
Holy crap!
Let's go now.
Let's get a car and leave this place.
No, I have one always in my pocket.
Oh, I didn't have to take the one on the street.
Wait, that's a fake exit.
Jeez. She blocked herself behind the wall.
You fool, we have business guns.
Come back here. You turned me. Confess. You turned me into a monster, didn't you? Stop hiding. I'm going to kill you one way or another. You turned me into that monster.
Good.
Die. We both me and Tangle found you. We're gonna get you. Okay, let's get out of here before she comes back. There's like... I think there's multiple of her.
Yeah, I know, because she's cloned herself. I mean, we need to look for an exit, because that one over there is a fake. No, not the...
Over there. Skeleton.
Damn it, the car's gone.
We keep crashing.
Yeah, I'm not a good driver. I haven't even drove in my life. We need to look for a real exit.
Yeah, we have to. We need to find
I
somewhere.
remember watching Plushie and its ARG. I know how to escape, it, you gotta go down and slide, but, this ain't Plushie, and this isn't the,
Clones are stronger.
yeah.
We need to get out of here before another one spots us.
Yes. Maybe if we just
There, I don't
destroy
think that
where they all have become. destroy the house. Oh, what's this? What
Destroy the house. That just wants the elevator.
I was gonna say, wait, what kind do you know? But I realized you became a robot.
Yes, I figured out the entire place. This robot has knowledge of the entire place for some reason. Hey, where'd you go?
Destroy the source.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's trying to steal our car! CPR! Okay. Okay. What?
where the source is at? Oh, miss.
Another day, another dramatic entry in the lives of Vlad and his distressed mistress. Where will they go? What will they do? All of that and
Hey,
more
wait, let's watch
happening
this.
now.
I tell you, the baby isn't mine.
Count, I tell you that it is. You're the only vampire I've
Exactly
ever
dead.
loved. And the baby turns his bottles into powdered milk.
That doesn't mean anything.
He sleeps on the ceiling fan.
Upright or upside down.
What does it matter? You need to be part of your son's life.
I'm an old man, Clara. I can't be a father.
Well, then at least pay your child support, you deadbeat.
Will Vlad and his distressed mistress find common ground? Tune in next time.
Okay, we need to go now. Wait, I saw a grocery store down here. Since really we don't have the wood. Ew, yeah,
Here?
yeah.
Dream theory.
Yeah, let's see what you would. Oh crap. Oh, okay. Okay, we can't figure out what time. Wait, time is this? But it's always night.
Mike, it's.
This might be a different
Oh no.
universe.
We're gonna have to get out of here.
Why?
My vocal cords are trying to glitch out. I don't think I'll be able to talk for much longer.
God damn it. Okay, please. I don't want to use it. Bus stop! Yes! Come on, it's a bus stop. Even though we died in a bus, I think the entity's dead. That we ran over.
The bus stop.
Wait, I thought your vocal cords were gone.
Well, they're back.
Huh. Well,
Brand new.
let's go, baby.
Ooh, shiny lights. Oh, my eyes!
Hey, at least we
What did I do?
at least we ended the lady that turned you into a robot, right, Bob?
May the snare which they do not know come to them, and may the net which they have hidden for me stand in my
Leave him alone! Oh, wow, I did it! How dare you? That's a nice citizen, though. No, I didn't mean to do that. Bob, I'm sorry! Haha, but you can't get him.
I think he's spotted something. What was that?
Wait, does that mean E.L.B.E.R.R's not the only one? To be continued. Just have to get out of here.